JavaScript is an language. Option A, object oriented. Which of the following keyword is used to define a variable in JavaScript? Option C, both A and B. Which of the following method is used to access HTML element using JavaScript? Option C, both A and B. Upon encountering empty statement, what does the JavaScript interpreter do? Option C, ignores the statement. Which of the following method can be used to display data in some form using JavaScript? Option D, all of these. How can a data type be declared to be constant type? Option A, const. What keyword is used to check whether a given property is valid or not? Option C, in. When an operator value null, the type of returned by the unary operator is. Option C, object. Which of the following are closer in JavaScript? Option B, function. To stop an interval timer in JavaScript. Option B, clear timer.